AIRYOMI Hair Dryer boasts a powerful 2000-watt brushless motor, ensuring fast drying with minimal noise. Its innovative auto-clean feature and microfilter technology help extend the motor's lifespan by preventing dirt accumulation. The lightweight design at 0.83 pounds makes it comfortable to handle for extended periods. Magnetic attachments and multiple heat settings make it versatile for various hairstyling needs. The negative ion technology helps reduce frizz and improves the hair's overall shine and softness. Equipped with an ALCI safety plug, it ensures user safety while delivering professional performance.